Welcome back. It's great to see you.
Hey there! It's so good to be back.
It's been too long since we last met. You took 2 months off from work. How was your trip to Africa?
It was incredibly wonderful.
Who did you travel with?
With Layla, my new girlfriend.
Why did you go there? It's boiling there now.
Layla told me that it's a popular tourist attraction that hordes of tourists visit there every year.
Yeah, it's the main tourist destination. What was the local scene like there?
It was awesome. We had non-stop schedule.
Can you tell me about some of the highlights of your trip?
There were so many highlights. We visited and climbed Mount Kilimanjaro, which was a challenging but rewarding experience. Also, we went camping for a couple of weeks.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Did you go on a safari?
Yes, we went on a safari in the Serengeti.
I've always wanted to go on a safari. What was it like?
It was absolutely breathtaking. We saw so many incredible animals up close, like lions, elephants, and giraffes. It was like being in a nature documentary. It was a holiday of a lifetime.
That sounds like a dream come true. It is a great way to explore the beauty of nature and observe the animals in their natural habitats. What was your favorite part of the trip?
It's hard to pick just one, but I think my favorite part was meeting the local Maasai people and learning about their culture. They were so welcoming and it was fascinating to see how they live.
That's really cool. How long were you there for?
We were there for 2 weeks. It was a bit of a culture shock at first, but we quickly got used to it and fell in love with the place.
That sounds like a fantastic experience. How was the food?
The food was delicious. We tried so many different dishes and flavors. It was a great way to get to know the local cuisine.
Did you have any trouble with the language barrier while you were there?
Not really, most people spoke English pretty well. I did pick up a few phrases in Swahili, though. It was really helpful when we were out in the wilderness.
That sounds amazing. Did you do any shopping while you were there?
Yeah, I picked up a few souvenirs. I got some handmade jewelry and a few traditional African fabrics. I also got some great pictures, which I'm really excited to share with you.
I can't wait to see them. It sounds like you had an incredible trip. I'm so glad you had such a great time.
Thank you, it was really unforgettable. I'm already thinking about where I want to go next, maybe Europe or South America.
Both of those sound amazing. I'm sure you'll have an incredible time no matter where you go.
Traveling is really one of my favorite things to do.
I totally agree. There's nothing like experiencing new cultures and seeing the world.
Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, and share our videos.